Hello, I'm Marla Walsh, and I'm here to inform you about our busy and exciting year. As interim director, I'm very proud to let you know about some of our accomplishments. Providing comprehensive education and support services for all Wisconsin deaf, hard of hearing, and deaf-blind children has continued as the driving force for both WESP-DHH outreach and the Wisconsin School for the Deaf staff this year. The evidence is clear when considering the events and accomplishments of students, parents, and staff throughout the 2015-2016 school year. The WESP-DHH outreach program has provided educational consultation services to Wisconsin school districts and parents relating to the educational needs of over 45 deaf, hard of hearing, and deaf-blind students this year. The consultation process has been redesigned to include action planning support as well as observation and evaluation summaries. The outreach team continues their planning for what promises to be an outstanding professional and family conference this coming November. Ongoing program support teachers regional meetings, the Summer Institute, and the Partners in Listening seminar provided support to parents and professionals from around the state. The outreach team has also taken on the scheduling and proctoring of EIPA, Educational Interpreter Performance Assessment, throughout Wisconsin. Wisconsin parents have continued to be supported through the Outreach Deaf Mentor Project, Wisconsin Parent Guide Program, previously known as Guide by Your Side, and the Role Model Infusion Program. The Wisconsin School for the Deaf is proud of the 9 seniors who graduated this year. Student numbers are showing an increase again, causing our preschool program to split into morning and afternoon programs to accommodate all the new students. 9 new students joined WSD since last January, and we already have an additional 9 new students to replace our graduates at the start of the next school year. WSD continues to see growth in student achievement, as evidenced in the steadily increasing ACT test scores for WSD students. Teachers focused their instruction to support advanced student learning outcomes and updated curriculum to promote rigor and challenge in all content areas. More online courses were provided this year and accessed by 10 deaf and hard of hearing students throughout Wisconsin. The transition programming at WSD has been an ongoing focus also. Transition activities were carried through into the residential hall for application of learning and transition experiences. The Student Transition and Employment Program was aligned to the Wisconsin College and Career Ready initiatives. The Walworth County Transition Fair was hosted at WSD this year for special education students from throughout the county. Students participated in many educational, athletic, and extracurricular activities this year. Proudly, the WSD Battle of the Books Buff Team won 4th place in the national competition this year. The Marie Jean Philip competitions in ASL poetry, ASL storytelling, and the Deaf Art Contest were well represented by WSD students. WSD's track and field team advanced to WIAA sectionals. WSD also hosted the GPSD tournaments this year. This was a huge endeavor that provided awesome athletic and social opportunities for students. Members of the Junior NAD also attended the Deaf Legislative Day in Madison, providing them with the Wisconsin deaf perspective and knowledge about government. The administrative team and staff worked hard to manage the budget during the transition to a new state financial program. Through it all, the new WSD playground installation has begun. Football helmets were purchased. The literacy studio was constructed, and students were able to travel for athletic competitions in other states. Additionally, several new software programs, such as IEP Anywhere and the Bright Arrow Emergency Contact System, were obtained. Staff were bombarded this year learning numerous new software programs. They survived the seamless transition from our old email system to Google Apps for Education, also the new STAR time reporting and the STAR finance systems. New IEP software and new testing protocols. They have proven the WSD staff members are truly committed lifetime learners and great role models for our students. WSD continues to provide a language-rich educational environment where students directly communicate with their peers and staff using American Sign Language. Deaf adult role models at WSD work directly with students throughout the campus. Deaf staff include 69% of the teachers being deaf, 62% of educational assistants are deaf, and 60% of child care counselors in the dorm supervisors are deaf. In addition, prominent deaf adults, such as Howard Rosenblum from the National Association of the Deaf, have visited with WSD students. Both Outreach and WSD are obtaining video footage of parents and alumni testimonials for posting on the WESP-DHH websites. Health and wellness continue to be promoted by the WSD Health Center staff. This year, a successful 5K color run was sponsored, as well as the field trip to wellness program. Again this year, the Health Center staff worked with students with Communication Services sponsoring a blood drive. Technology is a main focus every year. Emergency alert systems have been investigated. The Literacy Studio has been completed, and the new GAFE platform has been implemented. Progress with meeting long-range plans has also happened this year. The CEASD accreditation process has been initiated, and the support of WESP-DHH staff, students, parents, and the deaf community will be needed in this process. The list of accomplishments, hard work, and opportunities experienced during the 2015-2016 school year is extensive, and this year in review only highlights a few. Some of the activities we have planned for the 2016-17 school year, as WESP-DHH Outreach and WSD continue to provide the very best services for Wisconsin's deaf and hard of hearing children, include higher performance and student achievement for Wisconsin deaf and hard of hearing students. CEASD accreditation continued. Parent and deaf community involvement with WESP-DHH programs and initiatives. WESP-DHH summer camps, including driver education, literacy, and transition themes. Deaf-blind programming. Website additions with parent and alumni testimonials. Fiscal responsibility. Comprehensive emergency alert system. Wow, lots to look forward to for sure.